In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Address Book in Outlook. If you need a quick and simple way to find contact information, browse your saved contacts, or add new people to your Outlook address book. This feature makes the process much easier. The address book is especially useful when you want to search for someone without manually scrolling through long contact lists. And it also gives you access to different contact sources in one place. To get started, open Outlook and look at the top ribbon. On the Home tab, click the Address Book button. This will open the Address Book window where you can view and manage the contacts available to you. If you use Outlook for both personal and work communication, this is a helpful central place to locate the people you need. At the top of the Address Book window, you'll see a drop-down menu. This menu lets you switch between different contact lists. Depending on how your Outlook is set up, you may see your personal contacts, any saved contact folders you've created, or a company or work directory. This is important because if you can't find someone in one list, they may be stored in another. Taking a moment to choose the correct list can save you time and make your search much more accurate. If you want to find someone quickly, use the search box in the Address Book window. Type the person's name into the search field, and Outlook will help narrow down the results. This is much faster than scrolling through a long list, especially if you have a large number of contacts. If you are searching in a work directory, using part of a name can also help if you are not sure of the full spelling. You can also create a new contact directly from Outlook. To do that, click File. Then select New Entry. From there, choose either New Contact or New Contact Group, depending on whether you want to add one person or create a group of multiple contacts. After making your selection, click OK. Next, enter the contact's details such as their name and email address. Be sure to review the information before saving so everything is correct and easy to find later. Once you are done, click Save and Close. Your new contact will then be added to your Outlook contacts, making them easier to access the next time you need them. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.